Today we have
Telepods.
a Angry Birds telepod, and we're gonna be unboxing.
Wait, show them the back.
Oh yeah, the back.
So he's gonna be looking at.
And he'll be getting out the birds.
Yeah, really telepods.
So we just gotta unbox it real quick. Let's just take this out, and I'll show you the rest of the stuff while he's doing that. Here's your little fake computer. Here's little directions for it. See, like that. Just hand them to me when you're done, okay?
I've got all the birds out.
Yep. And then there's more you can collect. Like that.
Pigs.
And we'll show you the birds and stuff after he's done. Let's just set all that stuff aside.
Yeah.
It's hard to get those out, huh?
This one's a pretty tough pig to get out. This one's cool, but he's kind of...
Oh, sorry, this is good.
It's probably the toughest. No.
Wait, no, I'm just... Oh,
Ezra.
no.
Ezra.
Oh, yeah, we don't have Ezra in there. No, I'm going to show them that.
I show them it, because it's mine. No, I show them the birds.
And I'll show them the pigs. There was 3 pigs, so one... Where's the other ones? The other pigs. Where are the other pigs?
It's Jabba.
And, oh, yeah. And then so I'll show them the pigs and the base first, okay?
No, I do the base because I got it out.
Okay, got it. No, we'll just show them on the base. You can show them the base. And here's our Jabba the Hutt. Here's his little QR code.
And here's the
telepod base. And then, so I'll show you the Tusken Raider first. Here he is.
He's a pretty cool guy.
Yeah.
But he's kind of strong. He can defeat any main degree.
Throw. Yeah. And then and this guy, he throws his pitchfork. Here's all around him.
And he guards the Emperor.
This guy, he just targets any pig or bird or anything. And this guy crushes
anything
in his path.
So I'm gonna show the birds now. So here we have the Ewok.
Oh yeah, 360 look. Boom, boom, boom. I never gave them this. There you go.
The Ewok, 360 degree. He's probably one of my favorites. Here we have Lando Calrissian bird, 360. He has a little mustache. And here we have Han Solo in Carbonite, 360 degree. I love this one. And it's weird because his is on the bottom. So to put him on, you have to actually use the bottom. And that's how to put him in. Here he is, the base. So yeah, we're done. We're not done. We have one more thing to show you. How to update the game. No. Well, yeah.
We won't show you that. It's okay. Peace out. Boom, bow, bow.